Hi guys, it's Star. So today I'm going to be showing the new update that is on Funimate. So let's get started. The blur effect blurs it, a picture, whatever, how much you want, which I found very cool. The light makes a picture lighter or darker. Perspective. Let me make a transition. So it does a simple flip. There. A flip. Okay. Here's a flip. The third transition we're doing is this. You got these different kinds. You can make the radius big or small. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.